If you guys want to learn how to install the short shifter springs into the 2022 BRZ and up, GR86, all that, watch this video. Right there's the engine mount, and it's going to be right above it, right up there, as you can see right there. That's where it's going to be at. I don't wish this mod on anybody, not even my worst enemy. This is such a pain in the butt. So right there's the bolt, and you have no leverage. Literally, like, it just hits it. It just keeps hitting the wall. There's like no space. At the swivel with the attachment was gonna work, but it didn't work. And I was finally able to get it out, but look how little this bolt is, and it probably took me like an hour just to do this. No, I'll say probably like 20 minutes. There's just no space to actually do it. Casualty right there. I was like trying to tighten as much as possible and whacked my hand, so pretty much got the whole side of my hand, and this is the worst part. And pro tip, make sure you clean out the thread locker in it. Try to use like the little pick tool just so you don't cross thread it, okay guys? So big tip right there, make sure you do that. It makes the job a lot easier, and you really don't want to cross thread the whole transmission. That'll be costly, okay? So let's move on to the other side, which should be a little bit easier. All right, here's the transmission. We were on this side doing the driver's side. This is the passenger side. You can see right here's your front pipe. I got the 1321, so I got a dual resonated one right in the front and one in the rear. Yours might just have like a cat or so. And as you can see right over here, right here's the transmission mount. So right on the other side, right where the pipe is, you could tell right over here, you could go, and right here's this little part right here, aka known by the nipple part. And right there, you can tell it's a little nipple. Play with it, whatever you want to do. And it's probably the easiest because all you need is just a socket, and then, you know, you can unscrew it. It'll make it a lot easier than the other side. This is how it looks like, and then you're gonna be popping this one out. It's like a little ball right here, and then it's like a little capsule, and then you take out the spring. This is how the old spring looks like. This is how the new spring looks like. Compare them. This one looks a little bit smaller, and it looks a little bit more stiffer than this one. And then you're just gonna throw it back in there like that. And then you're gonna throw it in. Just remember to clean the threads with some towels and a pick tool. Now to really test out the shifter. Oh, actually like that. Here's a little sneak peek on the next little mod. It's like a phone holder in case I don't want to use the one that I put right here, just to demonstrate. Sometimes I don't really want to use it and I just want to put it right here, but I do got to get rid of this or put it a little bit shorter. But I bought this little attachment, and this is like an old phone holder that my girlfriend got me. I never used it, so I feel bad that I never used it and I want to use it now. But I'm gonna do one where it has like a magnet, so I can just put the phone right there, kind of like that, as like the MagSafe. Now to test this out. Actually been a couple weeks that I've filmed the video because I wanted to try this out and I just didn't want to do a review where there's little experience with it. And honestly guys, it feels amazing, and like there's not that much wiggle like there was before. So let's go to 5th, like that, 4th, 1st. It honestly just feels amazing driving this car now, especially paired up with the STI short shifter. It makes a huge difference. Burrito run, guys. I am starving. I've been working all day and I'm just plain exhausted, but I'm excited. Tomorrow I'm gonna be driving to LA for Irwindale Speedway. It's gonna be my first time being there and it seems like it's gonna be a lot of fun. DDE is gonna be there with their Super Trofeo kit, which I really want to see that car, and I really want to see a couple other cars. There's gonna be drifting, burnouts, all this crazy stuff, and I want to get this video out by tomorrow because the event is Sunday and I want to be out there and I want to make more content for you guys. But just to end the video guys, honestly this does feel great. It feels like it's not as notchy as it used to be, and it just kind of goes into gear and pops back into neutral very easy, and it just feels great. Overall, the shift springs is such a big difference. All in all, it's probably like $30 worth of parts. Obviously get a couple of tools and probably like 2-3 hours worth of labor if you really take your time. And honestly, it makes such a big difference. Pairing it up with the STI short shifter, it makes a night and day difference, and I'm honestly in love with it. If any of you guys want to try it out and within the Bay Area, and I ever see you guys, I'm more than welcome to let you guys sit in my car and even drive it for a little bit to see the difference between this car, between my shifter and your guys' shifter, by all means. But other than that guys, thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, and I am going to be doing a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, and I am going to be doing more giveaways the more and more this channel grows. And I am really thankful guys for all the support you guys have shown so far. It honestly does mean the world, and it makes such a huge impact if you guys subscribe, just because it's very expensive to run a car channel, and with more subscribers I'm able to get brand deals. That would also help out, and I have a lot of ideas on what I want to do with another BRZ if I'm able to get it, which would be pretty cool if I am able to get it. So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and thanks guys for watching. Until next time, peace.